So kung below 3 million audit threshold ka, ano na nga lang bang i-submit mo? Kung hindi ka na required na yung financial statement mo ay audited ng
Yay! Wala nang FS! Wala nang FS. Hindi!
Magsasubmit ka pa rin ng...
Ba't may pumalakpak? Parang mali yung sounds.
Mixed emotions na siya.
Mixed emotion. Akala mo wala kang FS, pero meron.
Meron, and sasamahan mo lang yan ng statement of management responsibility signed under oath. Ibig sabihin, ipapanotarize niyo po itong dokumento na to. Binigay din po ni SEC sa Annex A.1 at Annex A.2, both ng Memorandum Circular 4-2026 tsaka ng 9-2026. Naka-annex po itong template na to ng SMR na pipirmahan for stock and non-stock. Kailangan pirmahan siya ng chairman of the board, chief executive officer, and treasurer or chief financial officer for the stock and non-stock corporation. And for the one-person corporations naman, ang pipirma, president and treasurer.
Clarify natin, no? Pwede bang same ang president and treasurer, no? In the previous revised before the revision of corporation code, bawal. No, but because of the introduction of the one person, pwede na ang president and treasurer provided anong provided? May bond. Meron kang coupon bond.
James Bond.
Meron kang 1 million. Tama ba? Surety ba? Sure to?
Surety bond.
Surety bond na 1 million if you function both as a treasurer and a president.